Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to find the SWIFT code of First Global Bank. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. So there are various ways to find the SWIFT code of First Global Bank. I'll tell you the easiest way. So in order to find the SWIFT code, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now simply type in First Global Bank SWIFT code. Press enter. Now you'll be able to find several results over here. If you're using Google Chrome, you'll also be able to find the AI overview where you'll be able to find the SWIFT code. Otherwise, you can simply scroll down. You'll be able to find several results. So what you have to do is simply find the trustworthy source. The remittance websites like Wise, Remitly are very trustworthy. So you can simply click on the link provided by that source. Now once you open the trusted website, you'll be able to find the SWIFT code over here. You can also copy the code if you want. Simply click on the option copy. So like this, you'll be able to find the SWIFT code. So that is how you find the SWIFT code of First Global Bank. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.